Hi guys, how can you create a modern editorial poster design in Photoshop like this? First, go to File New and create a new document with a white background using your preferred settings. Next, go to File Place Embedded and insert your image. Right-click the image, choose Distort and adjust the corners until the image fits your composition. Press Enter to apply the transformation. Now select the image layer and go to Image Adjustments Black and White. Click OK. Next, select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the canvas. Choose any fill color you like and disable the stroke. Now change the rectangle layer's blending mode to soft light. Next, select the horizontal type tool and add your text anywhere on the poster. I am adding it on right side. Set the text color to black and use any font that matches your design style. Then select the rectangle tool again and add another rectangle as a graphic design element. Resize and position it wherever you like to complete the layout. Before a plain image, after a clean and stylish modern editorial poster design. That's how you can create a modern editorial poster design in Photoshop.